Coronavirus cases are continuing to rise across the country. According to Johns Hopkins University, there are 12.7 million coronavirus cases in the U.S., with more than 261,000 deaths. Globally, there are now more than 60 million confirmed cases and more than 1.4 million deaths. States in the U.S. are breaking records with the number of cases, deaths, and hospitalizations as the number of available hospital beds dwindle across the country. Yesterday, the U.S. reported more than 2,000 deaths from COVID-19, and Camilla Brunell reports nearly 90,000 Americans battling COVID infections will be spending the holiday in the hospital.
COVID-19 cases are skyrocketing across the nation.
We're in probably the biggest peak we've seen so far of this virus and the outbreak, and how many people are getting infected. Breaking records every day.
As cases surge, we're seeing grim new records being shattered. California eclipsing its daily record with more than 18,000 new COVID cases. Texas setting a record for single-day COVID-19 case increase with more than 14,000 new cases. Utah breaking a new record for one-day COVID death toll, and Nevada setting records for new cases and hospitalizations 2 days in a row.
No one will be surprised if we hit 200,000 cases in a single day.
In Minnesota, they're reporting a daily record number of deaths for the second time in a week. And the situation is so dire at the overwhelmed Mayo Clinic in Rochester, they're calling in help from other states and pulling staff out of retirement.
We had about 1,400 of our staff who were out either with COVID or COVID restrictions.
And now with the holiday upon us, health experts say they worry what case numbers will look like after Thanksgiving.
And I fully expect that the numbers will climb well above 200,000 infections a day. We're going to have more than 100,000 people hospitalized. And you're going to see the strains on hospitals across the country, even without the Thanksgiving surge. And I am worried that Thanksgiving is going to make things worse.
University of Alabama football coach Nick Saban has tested positive for coronavirus.
This is terrible news about not just the coach, but everyone being affected by this virus in the entire country and in the world. The virus is real. Please wash your hands. Please wear your mask. Please socially distance. It is real. Don't believe that it's not real. It is real. It is real. It is real. And you must protect yourself and protect others. All right? Love is about protecting yourself and protecting others. That's what it means to be part of the beloved community. Do what the Good Samaritan did. How he cared for that person that was in need. When the minister didn't and the deacon didn't. The two people were supposed to be very religious. They didn't do it. But the Samaritan, who's half black, half Jewish, and half Arab, it's like being a half black person, half white person, right? In today's day, was the hero. That's the hero. And we need more heroes out there who will care for others.